How to receive calls and texts on Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses Gen 2. So what you're going to do is go ahead into the Meta AI app. So if you don't have it for some reason, it's this one. You can go into your Play Store, App Store, and search for Meta AI and just connect your glasses, I suppose. And once connected, you can go ahead here in the bottom right corner, which is going to be a call icon. It's going to be the device settings. You're going to go ahead here into calling and messaging. And in there, you should be able to see three options. You have your phone, WhatsApp, and Messenger, but you're going to have to choose this option, which is your phone. So you're going to go ahead and press on connect, and then you will get some prompts like this. The glasses are on, make sure the glasses arms are open. The Bluetooth for your phone is also on, and glasses have paired with your phone's Bluetooth. Then you can just go ahead and continue and finish the other processes. So permissions and everything else. And once you're done with setting everything up, like turning on your Bluetooth and toggling your notifications or any kind of permissions on and enabled, you will be able to see whichever contact you want to be enabled. Let's say a specific contact, you can toggle their messages to be announced if you'd like, or for their messages to be read out. But that's pretty much it. You just go ahead into this section and connect the your phone section, and as long as your messaging or your contacts is allowed to be read by Meta AI, that's going to be in the permissions sections, you should be able to do this process as well. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.